Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Senvik Law Guru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing Supreme Court guidelines on arrest or the right of the person arrested. In the previous video we have discussed guidelines to be followed before arresting a judicial officer. If you have not watched that video, please go watch that video. I will give the link of that video in the I button. And before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get CRPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. There is a case called in DK Basu versus State AIR 1997 SC 610. In this case, the Supreme Court has laid down the law relating to arrest, and Supreme Court has also given directions and ordered that those directions should be mandatorily followed or compulsorily followed. We will discuss those directions. Okay, first, the police personnel carrying out the arrest and handling the interrogation of the arrestee should bear accurate, visible, and clear identification and name tags with their designation. The police officers who are arresting any person or who are handling the interrogation or who will interrogate that person, the police officers must bear accurate, visible, and clear identification of their name tags with their designations. The particulars or all details of such police officers who are arresting the person and handling the interrogation must be recorded in a register. Okay. Second, that the police officer carrying out the arrest of the arrestee, the person who is arrested is called arrestee. Here, the police officer who is carrying out the arrest or who is arresting the arrestee or the person who has committed an offence the police officer shall prepare a memo of arrest or memorandum of arrest at the time of arrest, and such memo shall be attested or shall be signed by at least one witness who may be either a member of the family of the arrestee, family member of the person who has been arrested, or any of his friend, or any person or any respectable person of the locality from where the arrest is made. And that particular memo of arrest or memorandum of arrest shall also be signed by the arrestee, and it shall contain the time and date of arrest. Okay. Third point, a person who has been arrested or detained and is being held in custody in a police station or interrogation center or other lockup shall be entitled to have one friend or relative or other person known to him or having interest in his welfare being informed as soon as practicable that he has been arrested and is being detained at the particular place, unless the attesting witness of the memo of arrest is himself such a friend or relative of the arrestee. It means any person who has been arrested for any crime or any offence that he has committed, and that person is being held in custody in a police station or in the interrogation center or any other lockup, that person shall be entitled to have one friend or any relative of his family or any other member known to him that or having interest in his welfare being informed. A person who has been arrested shall be entitled to have one friend or one relative or one family member informed about his arrest, that he has been arrested and detained at a particular place, so and so police station, unless the attesting witness, that we discussed in point number 2, unless the relative or the attesting, it means if the attesting witness is the one who has been informed about the arrest, or who is the one who is the member of the family or relative of the arrestee, then it is not necessary for the arrestee to inform the person, because the attesting witness who has signed or attested the memo of arrest, he himself knows about the arrest of the arrestee. Fourth point, the time, place of arrest and venue of custody of an arrestee must be notified by the police where the next friend or relative of the arrestee lives outside the district or town through the legal aid organization in the district and the police station of the area concerned within a period of 8 to 12 hours after the arrest. So here it is written that the time, at what time the arrest has been made, the place of arrest where the arrest has been made, and the venue of custody where the arrestee has been kept. These all details must be notified by the police. To whom? To the next friend or relative of the arrestee. If he lives outside the district or town, then this information will be communicated through the legal aid organization in the district and the police station of the concerned area within a period of 8 to 12 hours after the arrest. After the arrest, within 12 hours, that particular person must be informed by the police through this process, these two organizations, legal aid organization in the district or the police station of the concerned area. Fifth number point, the person arrested must be made aware of his right to have someone informed of his arrest or detention as soon as he is put under arrest or is detained. Like I have said earlier, the person who has been arrested, he should be made aware, he should be told that you have a right to inform any person or friend or any member of the family about your arrest or detention as soon as he is put under arrest. Okay. Sixth number point, an entry must be made in the diary at the place of detention. So at the place of detention, or at the place of detention, it may be police lockup, police custody or interrogation center, there must be a diary where an entry must be made about the arrest of a person, of which case or why the person has been arrested, and it shall also disclose the name of the next friend who has been informed about the arrest and the names and particulars of all the police officers in whose custody the arrestee is. Okay. Seventh point, the arrestee should, where he so requests, be also examined at the time of his arrest, and major injuries, if any, present on his or her body must be recorded at that time. The inspection memo must be signed by both the arrestee and the police officer effecting the arrest, and its copy provided to the arrestee. Here it is written that the arrestee, the person who has been arrested, should, where he requests, be examined at the time of arrest. So according to his request, the police will examine him, and if there is any major injuries present in his or her body or on his or her body, then that particular major injuries must be recorded at that time. There will be an inspection memo which will contain all the details of the major injuries, if any, present on his or her body, and it will be signed by arrestee as well as the police officer who is arresting that person or who is carrying out the arrest, and the copy or the Xerox copy of the inspection memo shall also be provided to the arrestee. 8 number point, the arrestee should be subjected to medical examination. The person who has been arrested should be subjected to medical examination every 48 hours during his detention in custody by a trained doctor, not by anyone else, by a trained doctor. Every 48 hours there should be medical examination of the arrestee. 9 number point, copies of all the documents including the memo of arrest, inspection memo, should be sent to the Ilaka magistrate for his record. Copies or the Xerox copies of all the documents like memo of arrest or the inspection memo, that all documents should be sent to the Ilaka magistrate or the magistrate in that particular area for his record. And the last point, the arrestee, the person who has been arrested, may be permitted to meet his lawyer during interrogation. The person who has been arrested, he can meet his lawyer, his or her lawyer, during interrogation, though not throughout the interrogation. It means the police will not allow the lawyer to meet the arrestee all the time or throughout the interrogation. The lawyer is not permitted to be with the arrestee throughout the interrogation. Okay. I hope this video is informative to you. If you like this video, please like, share this video, subscribe for more such videos, and if you have any doubt in this video, please do comment. For then, stay safe. Thank you.